Hello, here is Miss Amina. On Sunday, we are going to be revising all the alphabet we have learned for this first 1 month of your speech training classes. So, let's start with the first alphabet. We learned the sound of letter A, which sounds A. Remember, letter A sound A, as in apple. Letter A sound A, as in apple. Again, letter A sound A, as in apple. I want you to look at my mouth when I make the sound of each word, of each letter. So, letter A sound A, A, A. Can you repeat it? A, A. Letter A sound A. Excellent. Let's go to the next letter, the next sound that we learned. Letter E sound E. Letter E sound E. Letter E sound E, as in egg, as in elephant. Letter E sound E. Letter E sound E, as in egg, as in elephant. Our next sound is sound K. 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 Sound K from letter C and sound K from letter K. These sounds come from here, your throat. K, 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 K. Letter C sound K. Letter C sound K. Letter K sound K. Letter C sound K, as in cat. Letter K sound K, as in king. K, K, K. You feel a puff of air coming from your mouth and vibration from your throat. Letter C sound K. Letter C sound K, as in cat. Letter K sound K. Letter K sound K, as in king. Let's look at our next letter. Do you know what letter this is? This is letter G, sound G. Letter G sound G. Letter G sound G. Remember, to make the sound, your tongue goes down. The tip of your tongue comes to the front of your lower teeth. So letter G sound G, G. And you feel that part going up. Letter G sound G. Letter G sound G. Again, you feel a vibration from your throat to make the G sound. Letter G sound G, as in goat, as in color green, as in color gray. Again, letter G sound G, 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 as in goat, as in gray, as in green. Can you guess what the next letter is? Do you know this letter? Do you know the sound of this letter? This is letter L. Letter L sound L, 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 L. Letter L sound L. Letter L sound L, as in lion, as in lemon, lemon. To make the L sound, your tongue goes up, 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 up. It goes all the way up. And the tip of your tongue touches the back of your upper teeth. Look at me. L, L, L. So again, letter L sound L, as in lion, as in lemon. Did you see my tongue going all up? Can you try it? lion, lemon, L. Excellent. Let's take our next sound. Remember the sound? This is the short double O sound O. Short double O sound O, as in book, book, look, cook. Short double O sound O, as in look, as in book. Short double O sound O, O, O. To make the sound, your lips form a round shape. Short double O sound O, 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 as in look, as in book. Sorry. As in book. Let's take our next sound. This is an explosive sound, remember? You have to press your lips together and puff an air. Letter P sound P, 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 P. The sound is coming from the vibration of your lips pressed together. Letter P sound P, as in pen, as in pencil. Letter P sound P, 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 as in pen, as in pencil, as in. Let's take some colors. Purple. Letter P sound P, as in pencil, as in purple, as in pink. Excellent. Now let's look at the rest of our sounds. R. Letter R sound R. Remember, to make the R sound, your lip has to curl up. Up. It has to go up to touch your palate. Your upper palate here. The upper part of the roof of your mouth. The front part here. Letter R sound R. It's going up. Letter R sound R. The tongue is going up to touch the roof of your mouth. The tip of your tongue is going up to touch the roof of your mouth. So letter R sound R. Letter R sound R. As in Robert, Robert, Robert. As in red, as in red. Great job there. Let's look at our next sound. Snake, snake. Letter S sound S. To make the sound, you have to put your teeth together and create some sound, like you're hissing like a snake. Letter S sound S. You puffing air, lots of air is coming from your mouth to make the sound. Letter S sound S, as in snake, as in sun, as in star, as in 6. Again, letter S sound S. Again, another way to make the sound is by saying t, 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 s, elongating the t sound. T, 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 s, t, 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 s, s. Your teeth is coming together and you're puffing air. Don't forget that. Letter S sound S, as in sun, as in snake, as in 6, as in star. Good. Can you guess what our next sound is? Did I hear you say T? That's right. Our next sound is from the letter T. Letter T sound T, 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 T. To make the T sound, you're bringing your teeth together. T, 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 T. And your tongue is touching the upper part of the roof of your mouth. Letter T sound T, 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 T. As in tiger. Tiger. Letter T is a silent sound. Letter T sound T. As in tiger. Tiger. As in teddy. T, T, teddy. Letter T sound T. As in tap. T, T, tap. Letter T sound T. As in two. Figure two. Letter T sound T. As in 10. Great job. Let's look at it one more time together. Letter T sound T, 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 T. As in tiger. As in 10. As in tap. As in, I know you know this object. You all have it at home. Teddy. As in two. Now let's look at our last sound for the month. We have letter V, sound V, V, V. To make the V sound, your upper teeth is going to bite your lower lip lightly. Letter V sound V, V, V. As in van. As in van. As in violet. Remember violet from the story of V. Letter V sound V, V, V. As in van. As in violet. Great job. We have practiced all our sounds for the month. We have revised it. So I want you to read your stories of each alphabet, and I'm going to see you in class on Zoom. Goodbye.